MP crew, welcome back to another DIY video. In this video, I'm going to be making Elsa's braid in the form of a headband with a coordinating tutu dress. Here I'm starting with the braid and I'm trying to pre-stretch the hair that I got from my local hair store. I got the hair in the color white and it was about $1.49 a pack. So what I'm doing now is just braiding the hair down the shaft. I used the rubber band that came with the pack to tie in the center of the hair, and then I attached that rubber band to that corner of my chair for stability. So I'm just going to continue to braid all the way down to the ends, and then I'm going to leave some of the ends out at the bottom. So here I'm taking some time to go through each braid loop to kind of loosen it up, to make it more full and give it some more volume. Now I'm going to take some time to hot glue that braid onto this headband. I wanted to make sure the headband had some fabric so that the hair would glue properly to the surface of the headband. I tried it in plastic and it just peeled right off. So this one is lined with, I think, satin fabric. Now that I think I have the braid on the headband the way I like it, I'm going to go ahead and apply some rhinestones. These rhinestones come in different sizes. We have some big ones, medium, and small ones. So I'm going to take advantage of that variation there and just apply them to the headband. And I'm going to do something like a pattern. It's not that big of a deal to put too much thought into, just eyeballing it. But I am using the different sizes of the rhinestones to give it some details. And next I have these pretty little blue flowers that I picked up from the same hair store I got the hair from, and I believe it was just $1 for both of the flowers, so I thought that was a really good deal. They just clip on, so I'm looking for a great spot to clip them on and give me that Elsa effect. A pair of regular ruffle edge socks, I just glue the rhinestones onto the socks. So now we're going to move on to the details of the dress. This part here is a 5-inch crochet headband that you can get from Walmart. And then I have some tulle here that I cut in 30, I believe 30 inches long. And this is light blue tulle. And what I'm doing is using those crochet knots that's on the headband is I'm going to feed the tulle through there and just tie them into a knot. So once I finish wrapping all the tulle into the crochet knots, I'm going to apply this 1.5 inch wide light blue ribbon, and this is going to be the sash for the tutu dress, and I'm just going to tie it in a bow in the back and have it look really elegant. So now I'm going to use this ribbon. This is white 5/8 of ribbon, and I'm going to use this to lace up the sides on the crochet band, going through the notch, just feeding it through, going crisscross, and this is just going to give it some more character to the top of this crochet top here. This is a surprise dress-up outfit for my 4-year-old. She loves Frozen Elsa, so when she came home from school, I wanted to surprise her with it, so she's super excited. And she's been wearing it every day for like a whole month after school. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like videos like this, do not forget to hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this on my channel, hit the subscribe button, and then you want to hit the bell. That way you're notified when I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.